Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about life cycle of a frog. In my last video, I was telling you about life cycle of a butterfly. Like butterfly, this is also a very interesting. Frog also goes through a process called metamorphosis. That means these animals look very different as babies than their parents. Frogs are amphibians, which means that they can live in water or on land. There are four stages in the metamorphosis of frog. Stage 1, egg. A frog begins life as an egg. A female frog lays lots of eggs at one time in a pond. The eggs float on water in a jelly mass. The eggs will soon hatch into tadpoles. Stage 2, tadpole. When the tadpole hatches, it looks more like a fish than a frog. It does not have any legs. It has gills that allow it to breathe underwater. The tadpole swims, eats plants from the water and grows. During this time, the tadpole starts to develop lungs so it will be able to breathe out of water when it becomes a frog. The tadpole also starts to grow two hind legs. Now it can live around instead of only swimming. Although the tadpole is starting to look a little more like a frog, it still has a very long tail. Stage 3, young frog. The tadpole grows two front legs and its long tail becomes shorter and shorter, and it is also called as a froglet. The tadpole uses the nutrients stored in its tail as food, so until its tail is completely gone, it does not need anything able to eat. Then just a little stub of its tail is left, and the tadpole is a young frog. It hops right out of the water and onto dry land for the first time. The frog is still very small. Stage 4, adult frog. The frog's tail will eventually disappear completely and it will start to eat insects instead of plants from the water. The adult frog then lay their eggs and begin the cycle again. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.